Hello, I am Ani. I've spent around 8 years working in QA and test automation. In this video, we will look at how agent workflows are modeled using QA examples. In the last video, we talked about how agent workflows are structured. In this one, we go a step further. We will look at how those workflows are modeled, meaning how we take ideas and turn them into something that can actually be implemented. Structure tells us what should happen. Modeling tells us how it actually happens. Without modeling, workflows stay implicit. People understand them differently, and systems behave in unexpected ways. Modeling makes decisions, paths, and outcomes explicit. Let's start with something familiar. This is a typical QA flow. A code change comes in, we assess risk, we select tests and execute them, and then we make a release decision. This flow exists in almost every team, even if it's never written down. Now look at what changes when we model the same flow. The steps are similar, but now decisions are explicit. We can see where choices are made, what paths are possible, and how different outcomes are handled. This is the key idea. Modeling doesn't add complexity, it makes complexity visible. At a high level, every agent workflow is built from the same core pieces: a state, where the system currently is; a decision, what should happen next; a transition, moving to the next state; and feedback, learning from the outcome. This loop keeps repeating. Once you understand this, most agent workflows start to look very similar. Decisions are what drive movement in a workflow. A simple example: did the tests pass or fail? Each answer leads to a different next state. Modeling these decisions upfront is what makes workflows predictable and easier to reason about. When workflows are not modeled, problems show up very quickly. Decisions are hidden, behavior becomes unpredictable, and failures are hard to debug. In QA, this looks like flaky pipelines, unclear ownership, and releases that succeed or fail without anyone fully understanding why. This is the real reason frameworks exist. They do not invent these ideas, they simply formalize them. First comes the mental model, then the workflow model, and only after that, the tool. If you skip the first two, tools will always feel confusing. In the next video, we will take these workflow models and see how they are represented in real frameworks. Once you understand the model, the framework will feel obvious. If this series is helping you build clarity around agentic AI, please consider subscribing. This is AI with Ani, practical AI for real work.